love shows up.
We're now doing something pretty historic. We're now sitting in and launching the state's first fully mobile dyslexia screening unit.
Yes, and it's amazing.
What do you think
amazing.
about that?
No, it's mind-blowing, it's shocking, it's amazing, and I'm just glad that I appreciate you being a part of this and seeing the vision. I think the mission for the GPII Foundation is just to bring awareness, teach and show kids that it's okay to speak up and to be different and to learn a different, not be afraid to, ask for help and, use my platform, just being out there trying to get the bill across and to be the first to do something in a lane, that where nobody's ever been in or stepped through. It's amazing. I would have never thought ever since, I spoke up, there's been tons of thousands of people just coming up and saying, I'm dyslexic, thank you. Help me get out my shell and, speak up and ask for help. And there's a ton of good people out here in the world, like the people I have in this Wellness Truck right now that want to support and put this on, the world's map and continue to grow and help, young kids figure out their superpower.
For the GPII Foundation, I think our greatest need is to find an easy pathway for the families. Not just the child, but the mothers and the fathers. They have no clue where to go, where to start to get their children assessed and then diagnosed. What excites me about working with the Wellness Truck, with Mobilize Love, is that they go into the communities. Do not be ashamed or afraid. Like I said, a closed mouth does not get fed, so you have to ask for help. What we would like to do is give scholarships to every family that we possibly can so that they don't have to go through the hoops to get assessed and diagnosed. So they know that we are here for them and we're going to come to you.
So that's what dyslexia is. That's what every learning disability is. It could be a weakness in the world's eyes, but it forces you to be creative.